Okay, here's a much quicker video if you don't want to watch the longer one and see more in detail exactly what you're getting. Perhaps this is for if you're already familiar with Excel, kind of get a good read just from watching this quick video. Then this is for you. I'm going to make this as quick as possible, but still at the same time show you exactly what this is. So basically, you open it up. This is what it looks like, an Excel file. And if you want, I'm going to go into View and then Full Screen, so it's a little better to see here. But this is it. Basically, here there's 4 different sheets, which they're called, but in this case 4 different calculators. We're in the first one, Business Accelerator Calculator, which is up here. This bar up here is your navigation bar. So if we click here, we're taken to the second one, Direct Mail Calculator. Click here to the third, Direct Mail Profit Worksheet, and then here's the fourth one, Compounding Profits Dashboard. So 4 in total, and I'm actually working on some updates to get some more calculators, but in the meantime it's just 4. So let's just do a little dive in a little deeper. Basically, what you want to do is in all 4 sheets you edit any green cells, which are obviously here, and then these cells are locked so you can't edit them, but anything that's not green gets auto calculated. So let me show you what I mean. Here you can see everything change. 30% here of 1,000 of course is 300, and if I put 10% here, of course it's going to jump down to 100. And again, as you can see, you just go between the different green cells and type in different numbers, and everything else gets auto calculated depending on the numbers that you typed in. So it's pretty much the same for all of them, but let me just show you so you can see a little better what these are. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read down here to see exactly what they say. But again, green cells, just come down here and add in different numbers, and anything's not green will be auto calculated for you, as you can see here. So that's the second one, Direct Mail Calculator. Let's go into the third. Same thing. This is Direct Mail Profit Worksheet, which this is great if you're going to be doing a direct mail campaign, or if you're about to do one, you want to see kind of what numbers you need, what response rate, and how many sales you need to make to see if it's profitable. This is great for that. You got the name of the mailing, the tracking code, any comments, and you see here general info like the name of the mailing list, the date you dropped it, the list costs, printing total, postage, addressing, any other. Here's all the cost calculators down here for you, and here's totals down here. Same deal as the first one. And the second, you type in anything in green, and then anything else is locked, so it's auto calculated for you. The pinkish cells here and the yellow. You see here you have the total, your profit loss over here, total revenue minus your expenses gives you your net income, which is here, and then the ROI percentage down here. So let's go on to the fourth and final, Compound Profits Dashboard. Same as the other 3. Type in things in the green. So for instance, let's say $2 million for the annual income for a business. Then here you type in ideas how to increase, clearly I can't spell, but you type in here things, ideas you're going to implement soon, and then in this box you type in percentages, and if you want you can type in dollar amounts instead of a percentage, but I like to just use the percentage. And let me show you real quick. If you type in 15%, you can see here we have 5 different boxes, so there are 5 key areas of a business you want to focus on. More value, higher prices for the first one, increasing sales per customer, more leads and opportunities, improved lead to customer conversion, so conversion ratio, and then personal productivity. So you got 5 on the left, and then here's 2 ideas each you can implement that you can physically write in here. And then when you do that, here 15% of the 2 million is 300 grand, and then 15% is another 300 grand, but because of compounding things like that, you're actually going off of 15% of this number, 2.3 million. And that's the same with all of these, 15% of 2.6, 15% of 3, 15% of 3.4, and then you see down here 4. So basically what this does, I like this one because you got 2 million up here, you type in, it's pretty cut and dry. You do all your calculations here, how much you're going to increase the business, and then down here you see the increase is just over 2 million, which gives you a total now of just over $4 million when you started with 2. So you can see 5 key areas of business, increase them by 15% each, which is actually not that hard to do. That's beyond the scope of this video. and then you see if you do that 15% in 5 key areas, you double a business. 101%, you go from 2 million to just over 4 million. And over here real quick is just a little chart that of course corresponds with all of the numbers over here. You can see it moving when I type in different numbers. So that's it, the four different calculators. You got the fourth one, compounding profits dashboard, direct mail profit worksheet, direct mail calculator, and then the first one, the business accelerator calculator.